Hello guys and hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Nick's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add blur effect in Adobe Premiere. So let's get started. So open Adobe Premiere and add the track that you want. Here in effects bar, you may click here and search for blur. And as you can see, there is here under video effects, blur and sharpen, there is Gaussian blur. Let's add it here. And if I open effects control, scroll down, here is the Gaussian blur settings. You may add a mask or select something. Let's, for example, increase the blurriness. As you can see, it's being increased. And let's select or add a shape. Let's add this, do it like this, and that's it. Very simple. Hope you guys that enjoy the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.